Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is for the month of June. This is monthly reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Sagittarius. Okay. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Six of Wands, the World, Knight of Wands. I think there are some cycles are going to be end definitely. I think for some your person want to come towards you and already came in your life in past definitely, and your person wants success with you definitely, and you want success with them, you want them definitely. For some there is separation, for those who are in separation your person want to come towards you. For those who are not in separation, definitely your love life is into next level definitely in past. So what is going on your connection right now? Let's see. Sagittarius. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Wheel of Fortune, Five of Pentacles, Four of Swords. Yes, definitely for some there is separation, definitely it is already happened in past, but are going right now separation in your relationship definitely, because Five of Pentacles is here. Is one person is in meditation state right now, thinking about a lot about this connection, but Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Sagittarius. Your person, I think it is you and your person also thinking about a lot about this connection. Definitely there is separation, there is for some absolutely there is no talking between both of you, but things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here, so definitely. So let's see your person future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person near future actions towards you in the month of June. This is overall month. Okay, Page of Pentacles, lot of energy. Seven of Cups, Queen of Cups. Definitely I think your person fantasizing about you a lot. They are fantasizing about you a lot definitely. Seven of Cups here. I think for some your person have lot of options, but your person won't apologize you definitely for what they did in past. Page of Pentacles, messages and communication is coming. He want to apologize to you. And Queen of Cups, definitely the energy between both of you become neutral, definitely loving, and I think there will be a chance for reconciliation definitely, because your person want to apologize you for what they did. I think for this separation they could be the reason. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Sagittarius. Yes, Two of Cups. Definitely your person will come towards you, there is no doubt, because Two of Cups, he loves you. Seven of Wands, I think your person could be Five of Wands, definitely fighting. Wow, see, definitely your person thinking about you a lot. And Eight of Wands, definitely communication, you both will be communicate back and forth in June definitely. If you are in separation, no talking between both of you, definitely there will be a communication is coming in your way. And Five of Wands, definitely these disputes are going to be end, because your person don't want to give up on this connection. If you are give up on this connection, or you want to, but your person don't want to give up, because you both love each other unconditionally. This connection is also protected by angels. Definitely your person thinking about to make a move towards you, and already your person may be told apology to you. Maybe you are not respond for, I think what may be happened, and definitely things are getting better in June. Definitely Two of Cups and Eight of Wands, you both will communicate and things will be resolved. So communication is the key here. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.